The 10-minute poem challenge isn't over. Today, I'm going to be writing a poem on the word renegade. So, what I have done this time is I have filmed the process for you, and you will see it in fast forward as I perform the poem for you today. So, again, thank you, Efsha, for giving me this word. Renegade. My world was built on the back of renegades, remembering them as heroes when they were once called traitors, singing their praises now when they were left unsung, never daring to speak about them in their times, although in silence we praised their chants. Fear stopping us from joining them when bravery was needed. Gathering our thoughts because confusion has stricken. How could I possibly agree with an outlaw? How could I not follow societal conventions? How could I fit in if I agree with what stands out? Deciding to be a renegade, to be daring enough to say what others won't, to be what others shun, to live like others crave but judge. My world was built on the back of renegades. So I dare you to sing today's renegades. Thank you. Leave me a word below so that I could also have your word to write a poem to. See you soon.